Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials: an email you control, your birth date, and a secure password. Once ready, open Settings on iPhone or visit Apple. Apple. Com on a browser to create a new Apple ID. Choose Create Your Apple ID and enter the requested personal details. This links your identity to Apple services. Make sure to pick security questions you'll remember because they recover access later. Keep your device nearby for verification codes. You will need them in the next steps. Once you've entered name, email, and a password that meets Apple's criteria, Apple sends a verification code to your email. Open that message and type the code when prompted. This proves you control the email address. Then add a phone number for two-factor authentication and select security questions for account recovery. You can add a payment method now or later. Adding it enables purchases. Make sure information matches your legal name to avoid validation issues with purchases. And to finish, enable two-factor authentication, so sign-ins require a code sent to your trusted device or phone, which dramatically improves security. Sign in on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac and enable iCloud Sync for contacts, photos, and backups. Once done, review payment and subscription settings to prevent unexpected charges. If you can't verify email or receive codes, reset your password or use an account recovery contact. If that fails, contact Apple support for guided identity recovery to regain access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.